Hello everyone, welcome to Food Art and Health. Today I am sharing an interesting recipe of chocolate pie. Yes, it appears to be very difficult to make, but trust me, you can make this recipe very easily. Let's start making the crust. For making pie crust, I am using digestive biscuits. I have taken around 15 to 20 pieces of biscuits. Now I am going to crush all these biscuits in grinder and I am going to make it into fine powder. See, now this powder is ready. Now I have taken 7 to 8 tablespoons of melted butter. You can also use homemade butter. Put this butter into this biscuit powder and mix it well. Butter consistency should be sufficient that you should able to bind it with hands. Let's use the hand to bind the mixture. This way we are going to bind. See, now this pie crust is ready. I am using 20 centimeter pie mold. There are many different kind of variety of mold available in market. You can use any small size of pie mold also. I have taken a big one. Put this all mixture into this mold and press it very well. Try to press in the center part and push it to the corner part. Corner part should be thick enough, so you can use some utensils to press this well. This process should be done very quickly. Now I am going to keep this pie mold into the fridge for about 30 minutes. Until then, I am going to prepare for chocolate ganache. For making chocolate ganache, I have taken 350 grams of dark chocolate and crush it into small chunks so they can melt easily. Now, in double boiler method, take 300 ml of heavy cream and add these chocolate chunks into it and mix it well. Here I am gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of butter, and now mix this mixture well. You can see that shine. Now your chocolate ganache is ready. Let it cool down little bit. Now I have taken the pie out of the fridge. Now I am going to pour this chocolate ganache on top of this pie crust. Pour it evenly. Again, now we have to keep this pie mold into the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours. For best results, you can keep it for a full night. So now I am going to keep this mold again into the fridge for 4 to 5 hours. Now after 5 hours, my chocolate pie has been settled down very well. So now it is time to decorate it with some cherries on. You can use any of your favorite toppings on this chocolate pie. I am also going to add some powdered sugar on top of this chocolate pie. This chocolate pie is completely ready to serve. This is little tricky dessert, but trust me, this pie tastes super delicious and absolutely no baking. So easy to prepare with very less ingredients. Surprise your guest with this sinful recipe and let me know in comments if you like this recipe. So keep watching Food Art and Health for more updates and subscribe us. Thank you so much.